Are you struggling to make money online? Spend hours watching tutorials, trying side hustles, but still not seeing results? You're not alone! Most beginners fall into the same traps that keep them stuck, frustrated, and, let's be honest, broke. But here's the good news. If you avoid these mistakes, you can actually start making money online way faster than most people. In this video, I'll reveal the 7 biggest mistakes stopping you from making money online. And most importantly, how to fix them so you can start earning fast. If you're serious about making money online, go ahead and smash that like button. It tells YouTube you want more videos like this. Mistake number 1, trying too many things at once. Look, I get it. There are so many ways to make money online. Dropshipping, affiliate marketing, YouTube, freelancing, print on demand, AI content creation, and they all work.
But here's the problem. Trying to do everything at once is the fastest way to fail.
The reason most beginners never make money online isn't because the methods don't work. It's because they never stick with one long enough to see results. Instead of jumping from one side hustle to another, pick one method that fits your skills and interests and master it.
Give it at least 90 days of focused effort before considering something else. How to fix it? Pick one proven method. Affiliate marketing, YouTube automation, freelancing, etc. Follow a step-by-step plan and stop watching random get-rich-quick videos. 3. Track your progress, tweak your strategy, and stick with it until you see results. Trust me, if you focus on one solid method and go all in, you'll make money 10x faster than those who keep chasing the next big thing. Mistake number 2, expecting instant results. Ever tried something for a few days, didn't make money, and thought, this doesn't work? This is where most people go wrong. Making money online is real, but it's not magic. Just like any skill, it takes time and effort to see results. Think about it this way. If you start a new job, you don't expect to become a manager in 1 week, right? Making money online is the same. You need to put in the time to learn, test, and refine your strategy. How to fix it? Set realistic expectations. Making money online is not overnight, but it is possible with consistency. Treat your online income like a real business, not a quick cash grab. Stay patient, celebrate small wins, and keep going even when you don't see results right away. Most people quit right before they start seeing success. Don't be that person!
Stay patient, keep learning, and your breakthrough will come. Mistake number 3, not treating it like a real business. Let me ask you something. Would you expect to get paid at a regular job if you showed up whenever you felt like it and barely did any work? No? Then why do so many people expect to make real money online without putting in real effort? This is one of the biggest mindset shifts you need to make. If you treat making money online like a hobby, it'll pay you like one, meaning barely anything. But if you treat it like a business, it can change your life. How to fix it? Create a schedule. Even if it's just 1-2 hours a day, set dedicated time to work on your business. Invest in yourself. Take a course, get better tools, and learn the skills needed to grow. Track your progress. Set income goals, measure results, and adjust your strategy. Online success doesn't happen by accident. It happens when you commit to the process. So from today, start treating it like a business and watch how everything changes.
Mistake number 4, ignoring high-income skills. Here's the cold, hard truth. Most people looking to make money online want quick cash, but the ones who actually succeed are the ones who learn high-income skills.
Instead of chasing random side hustles, focus on learning a skill that actually pays. Because once you have a valuable skill, you'll never have to worry about making money again. Examples of high-income skills: freelancing, writing, graphic design, coding, or video editing on platforms like Upwork and Fiverr. Video editing. With YouTube, TikTok, and businesses needing video content, this is huge right now. AI-powered content creation. Using AI tools like ChatGPT and Midjourney to generate articles, graphics, and social media content. YouTube automation. Running YouTube channels without showing your face using voiceovers and stock footage. Managing Airbnb for others. Helping property owners list, manage, and profit from Airbnb rentals. If you're serious about making money online, the best thing you can do is invest in learning a high-income skill. The more valuable you become, the more money you'll make. Mistake number 5, quitting too soon. See this happen all the time. Someone starts an online business, gets all hyped up, and then after a week or two, they quit because they didn't make any money. Sound familiar? Here's the truth. Everyone starts at zero. Even the most successful people online made nothing at first. But the ones who succeed are the ones who stick with it long enough to figure things out. Most people quit right before they're about to succeed. They don't realize that online income is like a snowball. It starts slow, but once it picks up momentum, it grows fast. How to fix it? Set a 90-day commitment. Promise yourself you'll stick with it no matter what for at least 3 months. Focus on progress, not perfection. Every small win matters. Learn from others. Follow people who have already succeeded instead of figuring everything out alone. The ones who win aren't the smartest or the luckiest. They're the ones who refuse to give up. Stay in the game and your success is just a matter of time. Mistake number 6, not reinvesting into growth. You finally make money online. And the first thing you do? Blow it on stuff you don't need.
We've all been there!
If you want to scale from making a little money to making a lot of money, you have to reinvest back into your business. This is what separates amateurs from true online entrepreneurs.
How to fix it? Reinvest at least 30% of your earnings into better tools, marketing, or learning.
Upgrade your skills. Take a course, learn better strategies, and level up.
Buy time with automation. Instead of doing everything yourself, use AI tools, hire freelancers, or outsource tasks.
Money isn't just for spending. It's a tool to help you grow faster. Reinvest wisely and your income will multiply. Mistake number 7, not building multiple income streams. This is one of the biggest mistakes I see. People finally start making money online, but they depend on only one income source. Then, when something changes, they lose everything overnight. Think of your income like a table. If it has only one leg and that leg breaks, everything collapses. But if your table has multiple legs or income sources, it stays strong, even if one fails. How to fix it? Start with one method and master it first. Don't try to do everything at once. Once profitable, add another income stream. Example: if you make money with YouTube automation, reinvest in a blog or affiliate marketing. Think long-term. Set up income sources that pay you passively over time. The secret to financial freedom isn't just making money, it's having multiple income streams so you're never dependent on just one. Start today and you'll thank yourself later.
All right, let's do a quick recap.
Here are the 7 biggest mistakes that stop people from making money online, and how to avoid them. Mistake number 1, trying too many things at once. Pick one method and master it. Mistake number 2, expecting instant results. Success takes time. Commit for at least 90 days. Mistake number 3, not treating it like a business. Set a schedule and take it seriously. Mistake number 4, ignoring high-income skills. Learn freelancing, video editing, AI content creation, or automation. Mistake number 5, quitting too soon. Keep going. Momentum takes time. Mistake number 6, not reinvesting profits. Invest in better tools, courses, and automation. Mistake number 7, not building multiple income streams. Once you master one, add another. If you avoid these 7 mistakes and take the right actions, you will succeed online. Now it's time to take action. Action plan to get started. Today, step 1, pick one method and commit to it. Comment below which one you're starting. Step 2, set a 90-day goal and track your progress. Step 3, start learning a high-income skill that pays long-term. Step 4, reinvest your first earnings into growing faster. Step 5, once profitable, add another income stream and scale up. If you found this helpful, smash that like button and subscribe for more online money-making tips. Drop a comment below. What's your biggest takeaway from this video?
Let's crush it together!